Hi, Matthew Kratter here from Trader University. And today I want to give you another tool for your trader toolbox, one that will help you to take advantage of the dumb things that mutual funds do, and sometimes even hedge funds. And that's called window dressing. So what exactly is window dressing? Well, at the end of each quarter, meaning March 31st, June 30th, September 30th, and December 31st, money managers will often buy stocks that did especially well that quarter, and they'll dump stocks that did poorly. And this happens because at the end of the quarter, a snapshot is taken of which stocks the fund is holding, and then that snapshot is mailed out to investors. So imagine you've been hearing terrible things about a stock, about insurance fraud, or maybe executives leaving, or maybe accounting restatements or something similar. And then all of a sudden you open up your mail and you see that you open up your mutual fund statement in the mail and you see that your mutual fund is actually holding on to this stock that you are terribly afraid of. So what do? You get on the phone and you call your broker and you sell the mutual fund. And then the mutual fund's assets under management shrink, and they lose out on fees, and basically everyone's unhappy. So this is basically why window dressing happens. And it happens because the fund manager does not want his investors to know that he owns this terrible stock. Now, it may or may not actually be a terrible stock. Sometimes, as we've covered in previous videos, when everyone hates a stock, it might be a good time for it to bounce. But when it comes down to marketing of mutual funds and just collecting assets under management, this dynamic of window dressing comes into play. So what will often happen, let me just go over here, is he will dump it at the quarter end. And you can see this is Valiant, this is VRX, and it gapped way down. And then you can see the last few days of March 2016, the stock is selling off as all the institutional investors are dumping it. Now, what will often happen is at the end of the quarter, when the new quarter begins, they will begin to buy back the stock. And that's what happened with VRX. And this is a totally crazy dynamic, but we can use it to profit from it. So what you want to do is you want to find a beaten down, completely hated stock like Valiant that everyone's talking about and that everyone is petrified to hold in their portfolios, especially institutional investors like mutual funds and hedge funds. And what you want to do is what I did. I bought this on March 31st. You can see this bar right here is March 31st. I bought it at 26.30 and then I sold it the next day at 28.10, and that was a quick 6.8% gain. Now, in retrospect, I actually should have held it a few more days because often these big investors will take a few days to get back into their positions. And so if I'd held out and waited a few more days, I would have had more like a 30% gain on this day on April 6th, 2016. It closed at 34.17. So anyway, I hope that's been helpful. There's a lot more to learn in this strategy, and I've actually written a free book that goes into this subject. So if you'd like a copy of that free book, just click on the link that's on your screen right now, or you can also click in the link in the description box below this video, and when you click on those links, it will take you to a page where you can drop in your email, and I'll send you my book on how to trade bouncing stocks, various strategies like this. If you've enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button. And I'll be making more of these videos, at least one every week and maybe every couple days. And so if you subscribe, you'll be the first to know when a new video is out, and you won't have to worry about ever missing out on one of them. Comments, questions, please drop them in the comment box below. And also if there's a topic that you'd like me to cover in a future video, please let me know about it in the comments. Again, I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.